Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Wsdcam wireless bike alarm, your bike's new security guard. Its sensitive motion sensor detects any movement, and the remote control lets you arm and disarm from up to 100 meters away. So this is my first time installing it on my Trek Marlin 6. Who knew just attaching zip ties take this long?
One eternity later.
Okay, so with the help of my trusty neighbor, we're about to test it out. To arm it, you press the lock button on the remote control and you wait 1 second for the bike to settle. It will first give a warning beep. But if disturbed once more, the alarm goes off.
That is it.